Who is Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985 in Madeira, Portugal. From a young age, his exceptional talent was evident. He joined Sporting CP Academy, where his skill caught the attention of Sir Alex Ferguson. At just 18, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United in 2003. Under Ferguson, he evolved into a global superstar, winning 3 Premier League titles and the 2008 Ballon d'Or. In 2009, he made a then world record transfer to Real Madrid for $94 million. In Spain, Ronaldo shattered records, scoring 450 goals in 438 games and winning 4 Champions League titles. His fierce rivalry with Lionel Messi defined an era of football. In 2018, he moved to Juventus, helping them score 2 Serie A titles. By 2021, he returned to Manchester United for a second stint before joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia in 2023. Throughout his career, he has set numerous records, including being the all-time top scorer in the Champions League and for Portugal. Ronaldo has led Portugal to international glory, winning the 2016 UEFA Euro and the 2019 Nations League. Known for his dedication, discipline, and goal-scoring prowess, he remains a symbol of excellence. Even in his late 30th century, Ronaldo continued to defy expectations, proving that age is just a number. His journey from a small island to global stardom is a testament to hard work and ambition. To defy expectations, proving that age is just a number. His journey from a small island to global stardom is a testament to hard work and ambition. Ronaldo continued to defy expectations, proving that age is just a number. His journey from a small island